Hi there, I'm Shell. I'm a trauma medic and I work for Emergency Management Bay of Plenty, and today I'm going to show you some essential first aid items to keep with you in case of an emergency. Starting off with an easy one, it's a good idea to have some plasters. Make sure you have these in a variety of different sizes and shapes. You should also have some sterile gauze dressings. It's a good idea to have triangle bandages. This is a sling, also something slightly more comprehensive, which is a wound bandage like this. Good to have different scissors, tweezers, and safety pins, or some sticky tape to secure dressings. Some other really helpful items to have are things like disposable gloves, some hand sanitizer, alcohol-free cleansing wipes, saline solution, antiseptic spray or antiseptic cream, some form of antibiotic cream, an eye wash bottle for rinsing out your eyes, and also some distilled water. Also look to include a few things like a thermometer or different types of medications that are going to cover a different range of potential ailments that you might see, such as painkillers like ibuprofen, paracetamol, and if you have small children or infants, it's important to have Pamol, which is the proper dosage for them, and also some form of allergy medication or antihistamine tablets, some type of gastro relief, electrolytes, cold and flu relief, some form of topical creams like hydrocortisone, as well as a UV protectant or sunscreen. Also remember to include any prescription medication that you have. You may want to pin a note to the outside of your first aid container, so it's one less thing that you have to worry about in an emergency situation when it's already stressful. It may also be helpful to keep a basic first aid manual with your first aid kit. That's it for me. Thanks so much for watching.